What if I told you that your $100,000 could turn into millions, without spending hours glued to stock charts or making risky bets? Sounds impossible, right? Well, in this video, I'll reveal 5 powerhouse Fidelity Index Funds that could do just that. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about small gains or short-term wins. Imagine earning over $225,000 a year in dividends alone, or seeing your investment balloon to $20 million in just a few decades. Yes, it's possible, and I'm going to show you how. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know which funds to choose but also why they're your ticket to financial freedom. Let's dive in. So, you've got $100,000. Maybe it's been sitting in your bank account, earning next to nothing in interest. Or maybe you've been too overwhelmed to invest it. Either way, today is the day we change that. We're diving into 5 Fidelity Index Funds, ranked for their growth potential, dividend yield, and long-term stability. These aren't just any funds, they're designed to work hard for you, so you can build a portfolio that grows while you sleep. This fund is your go-to for stability and reliability. Why? It focuses on companies that provide the essentials. Think Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, Walmart. These are the brands people turn to no matter what's happening in the economy. FSTA has a solid dividend yield of 2.39% and an impressive 10-year dividend growth rate of 10.7%. Even during economic downturns, this fund shines. In 2008, while the S&P 500 crashed by 38%, consumer staples only dropped by 15%. $100,000 in FSTA could grow to $243,700 in 10 years, $681,000 in 20 years, $2.34 million in 30 years. It's the perfect pick for anyone looking to balance income and capital preservation. Now we're stepping into the world of growth and innovation. This fund invests in consumer discretionary stocks, companies that thrive when people splurge on non-essentials like Tesla, Amazon, and Home Depot. While it's not a big dividend payer, yielding just 0.76%, it makes up for it with explosive potential. During economic booms, this sector soars. For example, between 2010 and 2020, consumer discretionary returned an average of 16% per year, crushing the S&P 500's 13%. $100,000 in FDIS could grow to $315,900 in 10 years, $995,000 in 20 years, $3.13 million in 30 years. If you're ready to bet on the next economic boom, FDIS is your fund. Health is wealth, and this fund proves it. The healthcare sector is recession-proof, demand doesn't stop, no matter the economic cycle. FHLC invests in industry giants like Eli Lilly, Johnson & Johnson, and United Health Group. During the 2008 crash, healthcare only dipped 22%, compared to the S&P 500's 38%. Plus, it offers an average annual return of 9.24%. $100,000 in FHLC could grow to $283,300 in 10 years, $931,000 in 20 years, $3.96 million in 30 years. This is the fund for those who want security with a side of growth. This fund is all about betting on the future. It tracks the Nasdaq Composite, home to tech giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft. If you believe in the power of innovation, this is where you want to park your money. ONEC has delivered an average annual return of 14.44%. While its dividend yield is modest, 0.64%, the long-term growth potential is phenomenal. $100,000 in ONEQ could grow to $401,500 in 10 years, $1.57 million in 20 years, $6.13 million in 30 years. Want to ride the tech wave? This fund is your surfboard. We've saved the best for last. FTech is your ultimate pick if you believe technology will dominate the future. This fund invests in the heavyweights shaping tomorrow: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. Together, these three make up nearly 50% of the portfolio. FTech has an astounding average annual return of 18.67%. While the dividend yield is modest, 0.66%. The growth potential is off the charts. $100,000 in FTech could grow to $586,500 in 10 years, $2.7 million in 20 years, $11.3 million in 30 years. If you're ready to capitalize on AI, cloud computing, and semiconductors, this is your fund. There you have it. The 5 best Fidelity Index Funds to put your $100,000 to work. Whether you're looking for stability, growth, or the next big tech boom, these funds have got you covered. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. And if you're ready for even more investment ideas, check out this next video on REITs that can deliver the same results with just $10,000. Subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite fund.